Oh boy, I cannot wait to go home and play my favorite video game, Fortnite. Dab.
I'm home. What the f? Is Fortnite broken again?
Dude, no, but really, this is not normal. This never happens.
Dude, it's just a game. Grow up. Read a book.
What am I gonna do? What else am I gonna play? I don't get it. What should I do? Oh my god. But dude, what about that book? The book seems really good.
2 hours later. A few moments later.
Ah! That's not f***ing work!
1 eternity later.
Honestly, I do not know what to do anymore. It's been 6 hours and it's still not fixed. A distraction? How can I find a distraction? What do you mean? Wait. What are you doing? Oh, that is my browsing history. Oh. Better.
A few inches later.
This is not as exciting as I thought it would be. Is Fortnite broken again? Dude, it's just a game. Grow up. Read a book. This needs to stop. Now.
Minecraft survival games will never ever go away. And that's it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to check out my book. It's available for purchase at Amazon.com. It just came out. It's the second edition to a novel that I wrote when I was about 16 years old. Doesn't really matter, actually. It made a couple appearances in the actual video as well because I'm a self-advertising little. Make sure to also check out my merch at shop.spreadshirt.com/Nariva. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, as it is the best way for me to communicate with you guys. I also reply to the comments, but that's probably not the best kind of interaction. I guess I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.